To fix a Whirlpool washer stuck on lock. Understand the main reason behind this issue is usually related to the lid switch or the control board. The lid switch is a safety feature designed to prevent the washer from operating when the lid is open, while the control board manages the various functions of the washer. First, ensure the lid is properly closed and aligned with the washer's frame. If the lid is not aligned, the switch will not engage, and the washer will remain locked. Check for any blockages or obstructions that may be preventing the lid from closing properly. Next, check the lid switch for any signs of wear or damage. You can do this by locating the switch, usually found under the lid or on the frame, and checking for any loose connections or corrosion. If the switch is damaged, you may need to replace it. If the lid switch is functioning correctly, the issue may be with the control board. In this case, try unplugging the washer and plugging it back in to reset the control board. This can sometimes resolve the issue. Additionally, check the user interface and settings to ensure the child lock feature is not enabled. This feature can lock the controls and prevent the washer from operating. Consult your user manual to learn how to disable this feature. To troubleshoot further, check for any error codes on the display panel. These codes can provide valuable information about the source of the issue. Consult your user manual or contact a Whirlpool representative for guidance on resolving the issue. By following these steps and understanding the main reasons behind a Whirlpool washer stuck on lock, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue yourself. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further assistance. Regular maintenance and checking the washer's components can help prevent this issue from occurring in the future.